Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a custom action uh, on clicking a particular text for UI text view, specifically if it is treated as a link. So I'll firstly show you the output. So here is some normal text. If I click on it, this is a UI text view, okay, and I have disabled the editing. So if I try to click on it, here you can see I'm seeing this basic option of copy, lookup and translate, okay, but the below text, it is again part of the same UI text view. If I click on it, here you can see I'm getting some custom action, and if I click on some action, it just prints to the console like I haven't done anything. So here you can see I'm just printing it to the console, and if I long press on it, here you can see it displays our action. Along with that, it loads this particular URL which I have sent, this apple.com. okay, so that's what this is. Let's see how to do this. So firstly, I have imported UI kit, then I'm extending UI text view delegate. I have created an attributed string because we want different types of text for a single text view, right? So here this is a normal text, then this is the link text, and on click of it we want to open this particular link, and here I have just assigned some styling to it as well. Then inside setup view I have just created one UI text view. We are assigning our attributed string, attributed text equal to attributed string. I have set the delegate, so here we were extending this delegate. Editing I have kept it as false and done some NS layout constraints. So here for this primary action for, you have to return nil, and this menu configuration for, here you can create your own menu, and on click of it do whatever you feel like. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.